Darcy, fetch it!
Do you reckon it's because it's cold and snowing she can't get the sensors of it?
No, it's pretty dum dang.
She's not a duck dang girl.
Be it, the dum dang. Ready? Good girl. Ready?
How are we doing for time, mate?
24 past. Good girl. Good girl.
So we'll go back in for it, or
Yeah?
bring it in, Darcy.
Ready?
Bring it in. Bring it. A little bit. Lots of things to smell and that in the woods for, isn't there? It's a bit not so blowy.
No, it's not.
Don't want to go. Ugh, can't see a thing. Do giant paw prints, look. And they aren't hers.
Nope.
He looks sopping, mate, I'm sorry.
Pardon?
He looks sopping.
No, I'm alright. It's going to drive.
Yeah. She's dropping sopping, she is.
Get some hot chocolate when you get in.
Whoa! What for Darcy? Tartar roods these are, for her. Tartar roods. Go and have a stick around then.
Tea?
Hey?
Can she have tea?
I don't know, mate. Not milk. The milk one thought. I don't know.
Decaf. That's good.
Decaf. There's lots of sniffs and things to sniff there is around here, isn't there? There's no, not one squizzle you can chase. That's what she wanted.
That's exactly, isn't it?
Huh?
It's a bit sheltered.
Yeah. Get them up it. Lots of things to smell there is. Marking territory she is. Marking territory. Police car. Fabulous. Must be the dog section. There's on 10 more minutes and we'll get back, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm getting cold. We have time to load up the car, load her up.
Go back around that way to collect the frisbee.
Yes, yeah, we've got to go back that way anyway. If it had been a little bit warmer, I would have suggested bringing hot chocolate with us. We could sit on the benches, couldn't we?
Good, yeah.
Oh! I thought I was going to leap over it then for a minute. Darcy! Where are you? Steady. Clear the skid marks.
Twice.
Yeah, but can you see her? She's camouflaged, look. Oh, you poor dried rat. Oh.
What did you do when it was snowing? Stood up for a walk.
She's a poor dried rat, she is. Can't see a bloody thing. She's gone. See you, bye. Darcy's miles away. Come on, let's make our way back, mate. Yeah. What are you doing, little girl? I bet she'll sleep on the way back. I see a paw prints, look.
Go on. Go on.
Still want to though. I need windscreen wipers on my glasses, I do. Whoa!
Oh, steady.
Yeah, I think this looks like the better field.
Yes, definitely. You're going to get wet. You're going to get wet.
Ooh.
Hey.
Can't see a bloody thing. My glasses off, I think. Ooh.
I'm going further down there, going else.
I think it's a bit little, I think a bit leveler up here, isn't it?
Probably wherever it's coming down.
Yeah, they've cancelled some of the routes.
Have they?
Buses routes, yeah.
That week.
Yeah. She tends to just do one dump and 2 or 3 weeks. Don't you? A couple more frisbees and then we'll call it a day, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a bit calmer here, actually.
Yeah.
You hold that for her? Oh, you've got your hand from you.
What's Uncle Michael got? What's Uncle Michael got?
Bring it then, bring it. You don't do very much good job of bringing it, do you? Do you? Hey, say hello. You dropped it in the pit. killing it, does. How can I throw it if you leave it there?
I'll just come fetch it.
Ready, one more. Ready.
Find it! Find it, Darcy! Find it! Yay!
Kill it, fish, yeah.
Oh, you swine!
Sorry.
Oh, ho, ho.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Dars. Guess what I've got in my hand?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yes, you'll be bloody sorry.
I'm sorry, mate. What was this guy? I'll let you throw one at me.
Hmm.
Mmm. Ready. Last one. Oh, I've done that for
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah, quite good.
Yeah, I like the wood.
I wonder if you go all the way to that one, then you just go all the way over then.
Yeah.